the stock exhaust. We're going to be putting on Flowmaster Outlaw kit today. And do a quick startup with the stock exhaust. Alright, here we are on the Ram. We're going to do a quick in-cab sound of the stock exhaust. There's 60. Alright, as you can see, the exhaust is off. These are all the tools I used. Also recommend safety glasses if you like your eyeballs, because you won't have any by the time you're done with this. And I ended up cutting the clamp for the mid pipe because I couldn't get any tool in there. And then also, if you live in any state with salt, you're gonna have fun taking off these clamps. You'd be better off cutting them off. Clamps, better off cutting them off because the new system comes with all new clamps, so don't waste your time. And on the hangers, all the hangers, use PV blaster, spray this shit, and then wiggle it out. Take it out of the hangers first, and then wiggle it out of the pipe. There you go. We just got the exhaust finished up and installed. Again, the Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust. We go with the push startup on the outside. Here we are back in the cab. It's in cab with the Flowmaster Outlaw system. Oh, that sounds good. And there's no drone on this. It sounds great. No drone, nice and quiet, not hitting the gas. And then as soon as you want to get on it, you can get on it. It sounds nice. It's exactly what you want in exhaust. on, guys? It's been a few days now since I installed the exhaust, the Flowmaster Outlaw system, and I can say that I'm still pretty pleased with it. Do another cold start it up a bit. Another thing about this exhaust, like the reason it sounds so good is because of the muffler difference. Like if you look at the size of the muffler on your stock, like on your stock muffler, it's like huge, and then the one that comes in this is like you can hold it with one hand. Like it's so small. It really shows you like how restrictive the stock exhaust is. I didn't get a picture of the two side by side, so I'll throw in a picture of them side by side, but you can really see a big difference. Just that alone would make this sound better. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how this sounds. It sounds so much better. And I researched all of them, like all the exhausts and everything online, and that's how I got to this one, the Flowmaster Outlaw Super 10 system. And for the money, it's the best one you can get. Like, I have no complaints. It sounds great, no drone. And yeah, I think that's gonna wrap this video up.